please.
Turn the sex light off.
It's a leading light.
It's a leading light. She ain't gotta see nothing.
Yes, she do. You know she's scared.
Turn that temptation light off. Somebody about to get chose just for me looking at this light. Are we saying surprise or happy birthday? Surprise. Oh my God. She done killed the whole surprise. Ben Franklin? When you gonna cut this grass?
What makes you think this Ben Franklin?
It look like Ben Franklin. You got that Ben Franklin haircut.
I was laying at that, I was laying up here asleep, you scared me. That Ben Franklin, hello.
I'm about to say, it look like the Hobbit or something.
It is, Lord of the Rings, Return of the King.
I'm about to go game night.
What?
I'm about to go to a game night.
What game?
A game night.
Game night?
Yeah. So a whole bunch of people get together and play games.
What's wrong with y'all youngsters? Y'all play too many damn games.
What you want us to do?
Get real. Get serious about life. Quit playing games all the damn time. Life ain't Monopoly.
Nothing. Bye. On my way to pick up the homie Niecy. I haven't kicked it with her in a while, and she likes game night, so we will be highly entertained. So I live in Arlington, Texas. Like I stayed in Carrollton like the last 3-4 years. That's like North Dallas. But moved back to Arlington, Texas, and they have literally signs everywhere that says it's illegal to text and also to drive. So is it illegal to vlog? Because if so, let me know. They say,
whoa! No, my house is a mess. Don't you do it. No.
Like how people be like, the house is a mess and it's all the way clean.
You know what? Shut up. Like, if I could find my purse, I would be like ready.
Well, it'd probably be easier if you turn on the light. That's exactly what's going on. Say what? Do we have to go here? I mean, I don't stay around the corner.
I hate you.
So what you doing for Caden's birthday?
Lord Jesus, I don't know. Everybody's asking me, I have no idea. All I know is I better find a bounce house.
What you doing for your birthday?
I'm running back to Jamaica.
You wanna go back?
Turn up.
Isn't that fun?
I had so much fun. But you know what I'm excited about though?
Just gonna leave me on.
That's your cue to say what?
What are you excited about, Izzy?
I'm excited for Trillium 2 to come out.
Ever since then, well,
Used to give up on this.
That was a CD?
yes, it's a CD. We're back in time.
Oh my god. What's your job score?
I don't have an aux cord in this car.
Since when?
Since my other car got totaled, this struggle that you see right now, this is what what's been going on for 3 years. I was trying to find Trillium. This is probably it right here.
Time matchups like the Red Sox on Giovanni.
This is probably this one.
Okay, come on, man.
Hey!
I want to drop top. Drop top. Drop top. Look at the pick in the pop top.
Alright, can you turn it up?
Oh, you said turn it up? Oh,
No, I had to raise the bar like a Nestle Crunch. I'm not a blood, but it's early, so I guess it's brunch. Had to be careful while I'm driving not to hit a bump. Cause I got all this white on and I'm drinking punch. I used to have a white boss named Mr. Randy. Now I wear all white just to feel immaculate. Black boy in all white looking like he ass shit. I keep a pair of Nike Airs like a man's Maddie. It's a celebration. Gold chain swing.
Oh, we got the MIB doors.
Hey! Which way?
I'll give you $1 if you pick the right one.
This one.
It's gonna be this one? Alright. We gonna see.
But you gotta stand right here.
Yeah, you gotta get your Will Smith on. Uh-oh, moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Oh man, I hear it on the
Hey, you got it right.
That's the one thing I do love about downtown.
We don't like nothing about this place. We don't like nothing about this place.
We do.
Look at the lime green light.
I don't know
What up, what up?
what up?